Hi, so I'm gonna go over how I do my K18 treatment. This is my second month of doing it. I've noticed a major difference. I get my hair done pretty consistently, but it's also really important to have a good hair dresser who knows how to protect your hair. So this is day 3 of like my hair. It's pretty oily. So I always, when I brush it, I always grab it so that you're not pulling at it. And then you can go higher. So I literally just woke up, you guys, rolled out of bed. This is my face, don't judge me. I haven't brushed it, I haven't brushed my teeth. So, yeah, good thing you guys are not here in person because this breath be kicking. Okay, so I just want to show you guys how my hair is before. This is it. Can you see like how oily? I have really oily hair. I have like really, really oily hair. So I will say the texture is a lot better. I was starting to get like some brittle dryness in the front of my highlights, only because the sun and, you know, it gets exposed the most up here. The rest of the hair is really healthy. Those are my puppies, by the way. You can hear them in the background. So I used to be someone who wore like a lot of extensions because I needed them. I was growing my hair out. So if you ever think about just wanting to grow your hair and but keeping the blonde look, I would probably invest in doing some extensions. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. Well, I just didn't. I'm out of the shower. I put it to towel dry for a little bit. So this is how my hair looks after. This is the kit. So if anybody wants to know what the kit is, this is what it is. I'm gonna do the mask, part 2, step 2. So it's the mask I'm gonna do. Ignore my red face right now. I just put the snail mucin. This is a whole nother video, but I just did that. Okay, so time to brush this hair gently. So again, I just hold it. I hold my hair and I comb through. I can't find my actual detangler, which is like a lot gentler. So this will have to do for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the mask. I do about 2 pumps because my hair is pretty long. And then I'll show you guys what you wanna do once you're done. So I did 2. You wanna like, make sure you can see it. So like right now, you see how it's like barely turning white? You wanna like lather it where my orange theory kicks in. Be like, money. And then you're gonna end up seeing like, where does it go? So like, what are the areas that really need to work on? For me, it's mainly like the top areas for my blonde highlights and the brown hair. So do you see that? All right. I also was starting to get a bunch of hair loss the moment I hit 35. So I'll also add my my routine of what I do for hair drops, because I use Midoxil, 2% Midoxil hair drops. I think that's really important. Okay, so leave that 4 minutes. So you can see how my hair feels softer. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like it's just feeling a lot softer. So what I normally do if I'm a Zoom day, then I would let it air dry. Try to let your hair air dry as much as you can. It's really good for it. But today I have in-person meetings, so I will be blow drying. And because of that, after you put on the mask, and it's been 4 minutes, and you know, you'll notice, you can tell when it's like, it's good. I use the Moroccan oil blowout dry concentration. I'll have this all listed, but this is what I use on my hair before any type of heat. Before I put any type of heat to my hair, this is what I do, because it's just, I just like protecting my hair. I don't put any, and you could do this to dry or like dry hair or like your wet hair. It just depends on how you like it. That's what I do. And then what I do on top of this is just me. You could totally do this as the 3rd step. Is I do the heat protector first, and then I do this one. But again, you could do this one and then this one. It's totally up to your preference. This is like super concentrated oil that is, it's molecular repair hair oil, and it's really concentrated. So like very few drops like is enough. So then I put it like in the areas that I know that need like a lot of help. Again, for me, it's like the front is mainly my processed area. And I'm on a mission right now to just really grow my hair and to get it like super healthy. And which means like, obviously that's why I did the K18 because of the peptide. So, yeah. So I do that. Oh, I just poked myself. I do that after, only because it's like super concentrated, but you could totally do this before putting the heat protector. And then I do my hair drops. So here, and again, you don't have to do hers. You can just do anything that has Medoxil, as long as it's 2 or 5%. I actually want to go to 5%. I want to find one that's 5%. And I put this in my, so these areas, you see how much baby hair I have? Yeah, it's because I do hair drops. This side has like a lot more. That's all baby hair right there. Because I noticed after I hit 35, I started to my hair started to thin out, and that's normal because it's our hormones that are switching up. And then I just massage it into my hair. So I just massage it and I, put it in. You could use your brush too, whatever works for you. What I've also told people too, like my eyebrows thinned out, so then I do my eyebrows too. Hair will grow everywhere, if you know what I mean. So I get lasered, so I'd rather have hair, so I just do both. But just an FYI, if you do get lasered, you might have some hair come back, some regrowth, because this is like hair everywhere. So yeah, so see, like I put in my eyebrows. I get microblading, so that's a difference there too. Always gonna be transparent. But yeah, do you see that baby hair right there? Okay, that's gold. Boom. So yes, and this is how much energy I have in the morning, and I don't drink coffee. Okay. Oh. So, I will blow dry next. So really quick, do you see that, like, how it looks? It's so healthy. And this is the finished product. I just curled my hair with a 1-inch curling iron. But this is it. I just love how healthy it feels. That's my biggest thing. It just feels really, really healthy. You know, that baby hair. Yeah. So thank you.